Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about doing laundry without a washing machine. In Kenya, I don't have always access to a washing machine. So I was forced to learn wash my clothes with my hands. At first that wasn't easy. I was very slow, my hands started to bleed at some point, and it was just a total disaster. I was too scared to wash my clothes in public, so I used to do it inside in my own bathroom where no one could see how clumsy I was and how much time I was taking. And I had a lot of help from other people who were willing to chip in and wash clothes for me as well. But eventually I got the self-confidence to wash my clothes outside and just enjoy the weather and the sun while I was washing. As you probably figured, I don't have access to a dryer as well, so clothes are dried outside in the sun. So maybe you ask, what do you do when there's no sun? Well, that is a really good question, because I have had days and days in a row that there was no sun and it was rainy and that it was drizzling and that it was really humid outside and that my clothes just didn't dry, and then they stayed wet for a couple of days. Because even inside the garage where the emergency line was for drying clothes, the clothes would not dry because of the humidity. So sometimes it took days before things would dry. So you really have to make sure that you wash everything as soon as possible. You don't pile up your things. Not only because if you're out of clothes and they don't dry up soon enough, then you don't have anything to wear, but also simply because doing a lot of clothes at the same time is just taking an incredible amount of time, and it's better to do a small pile every time that you're washing. Altogether, it was a great skill to learn, because whenever you're traveling, it can be really convenient to know how to do it. And yeah, now I know, and my hands don't bleed anymore when I wash my clothes now, so I got used to it. I'm still not as fast as people who have done this their whole lives, and I'm still not as good as people who do this every day, but I'm getting better and better at it, and I'm pretty proud of myself that I can wash my own clothes now with my hands. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. And I see you on the next video. Bye!